Hey moms and dads, Mr. Garcia here. What you're seeing above me is our graphic organizer for writing. The kids were supposed to do this one last week as well as the first paragraph. They took some notes here on the bottom section, and kind of between my fingers here, about what life was like for the boy in our story, Boy That Painted Cave, along with from our history book, the prehistoric era. Now above me, you can see some circles going on like here and here. Those circles become paragraphs. We've got activities was the idea of here. We've got the cave painting. They had hunting. They had cooking, and they had some gathering going on. Those different little bullet points became sentences. The sentences became paragraphs. We took it slow. Last Friday, first paragraph was due. Monday and Tuesday, we did paragraphs 2 and 3. Thursday and Friday of this week, we did paragraphs 4 and 5. All but maybe 4 or 5 kids turned in something this week. I did type my entire essay out in front of the kids so they could see how to do it. A couple of new kids to our school started just writing their own essays and putting in dialogue and just writing about whatever they wanted rather than following my script here. And I teach them this method. We use this graphic organizer because by the end of the year, they end up using the same web organizer to do all three styles of writing: personal narrative, informational, and then persuasive. So I want them used to one model of writing, one method of gathering their thoughts, so that by the end of the year, when it comes time for them to end up writing for the end of the year test, they can do so really easily. Your students are going to finish up their rough draft typed out by Friday, and then we'll have 2 weeks of editing before their final draft is due. With that said, that's kind of the big news this week, and we are definitely into October. I hope you're having a great one, and thanks for all your support again for your students, and I appreciate everyone signing those reading logs. I'm done taking volunteers for camp at this point, and I'm also done taking in student packets. So if your kid didn't turn their packet yet for camp, we're just too close at this point to say yes anymore to the kids. We've had plenty of time to get those packets in, and so at this point, thanks everyone for turning those in as well. I will be going to camp, looks like that, and Miss Riel, looks like Miss Casey will be staying back with a group of 20 or 25 students from 6th grade. And those dates again are October 23rd through the 25th. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. Adios.